Hey, paper crafting friends. This is the day that we do the January 2021 Kiwi Club Kit Collab drawing. So I am going to pull up comments from all of the videos and we will get started with that. And I just realized I did not get this page pulled up. So sorry. Give me an extra second here. Whoops. Here I try to be so efficient. That's what happens at 7 o'clock on a Friday morning. All right. Here we go. Let me get back to the video. So I'm going to go ahead and pull mine first. So let me grab that address. And I just want to say thank you while I do this to everybody who came over, watched the video on any of our channels, made comments. Hopefully you got some good tips and supported our video making in the process. All right, here we go. So on my video, there were 30 comments. I'm going to go ahead and start that raffle and see what the first name is. Remember that we do a name from each video and then we put that in the wheel of names, and then that person who comes out of the wheel of names is the winner. So let me get this. Tracy Phelps, congratulations. Thank you for popping onto my video. I'm glad you liked the tip with Aspen. Hopefully I typed this right. I'll go back and look. It's funny how quickly we forget. F-O-W-L-K-E-S. Got it. Okay. We're going to go grab the next video address. This one would be from Sandy's channel. Again, anytime you see these kinds of drawing chances, the more videos that you go view and comment on, of course, the greater your chances. So let's see. Sandy had 19 comments on her video. Let's choose a winner here. All right, Cowgirl Riley, 18. So cute. I love the banners going across the whole top of the paper. Awesome. Let's get that name in. Cowgirl Riley. Spelled that wrong. 18. Is that right? Whoop. My gosh, you guys. I'm all over the place. Here we go. Yeah, I think I got it. All right, we're going to grab one more. And this is off of Marissa's channel. In the comment picker. And let's see what we got. All right, so Marissa had 16 comments on her video. And Lisa Reynolds says, quick and simple, cute idea for champagne glasses. All right, Lisa, thank you for taking the time to comment. Let's get you in here. All right, so we've got our 3 names. There were just the 3 videos this month. January proved to be a little crazy for some of our creators. Hopefully we can get a little more to you for February. I do have another YouTube creator who has been talking with me about joining the collaboration as well. So we'll see if we can get that to grow a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to spin. Let's see who it is. Yay! All right. So it looks like Cowgirl Riley. So I will get in touch with you, and I will be providing the prize. So I will get that out to you just as soon as I can get a hold of you and see what you would like. Thank you so much for joining us, and come on back and see what we've got for you in February. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.